Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to lock specific cells in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. Locking cells means that you protect your sheets from any possible accidents, including editing and deleting. Well, how to do it? Right-click on the cell or cells you want to lock. Hover over View More Cell Actions. This option is listed at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Select Protect Range. Alternatively, you can perform the same task by clicking on the Data tab and choosing Protect Sheets and Ranges. Choose Add a Sheet or Range from the side panel. Then choose which cells to lock from editing. If you click the cell you want to lock, that cell's information will be referenced in the Range section. If you need to lock a range of cells, enter the range into the field. By clicking on the Sheet button, you can lock the entire sheet. Go to the Sheet tab and select which sheet you want to lock. You have the option to exclude certain cells from being locked. If you need certain cells open for editing, click the box for Accept certain cells and specify the range. Select Set Permissions. If you are the only person allowed to edit the sheet, make sure you choose only you. Now your sheet or cells are locked and can't be edited without permission. If you are working on a document in a team and don't want your cells to change, you can allow users to receive a warning before accepting their edits by selecting Show a warning when editing this range, then hit Done. And now if the user tries to make changes to a cell or sheet, he will receive a warning message as a warning. Users should click Cancel or OK to make changes or return to the original document. How to unlock cells? Right-click on the cells you want to unlock, hover over View More Cell Actions, then Protect Range. In the side panel menu, click on the cell or cell range that you wish to unlock. Click the trash can icon and select Remove. Once you click the button, your cell is free to be edited by anyone with editing permission for the document. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.